Hello mga Karil 2K. Marami ako nabasa sa comment section na unable to load settings daw yung in-upload natin kahapon na NBA 2K22 NBA 2K25. So ngayon, nagawa na natin siya ng paraan. Na-fix na po na natin siya. So ito pala yung gamit kong Android 13 po siya. Okay. Bago natin i-try yung tatlong na-fix na, so try natin muna tong i-open para maging clear din lahat sa atin, kasi ngayon ko lang din naman napansin na hindi talaga siya nag-work sa Android 13. Pero sana yung tatlong nagawa ko or na-fix na is mag-work din siya sa Android 12 pababa. So yon, unable to load settings talaga siya sa Android 13. So ngayon, itatry na natin yung tatlong sinasabi kong na-fix na. So uninstall muna natin to. Okay, install natin yan. So ito yan. Try muna natin to una. Yan yung my JD Mood Mino. So install muna natin yan. Open. Wait muna natin. Allow. Yun, may JD Mood Mino na tayo, guys. I-fast forward lang natin. Gumana, guys. So try natin. Okay, working na siya, guys, sa Android 13. Ayan. Try natin yung updated roster. Open natin. Wait lang. Yan. So successfully loaded siya, guys. Okay. Try natin tignan si Bronny James. Yun. Angas dyan ni Bronny. Yun. Working yung isang application. Try naman natin yung pangalawa. Yung walang JD Mood Mino. Si Archiver. Ito. Yung colored court. Install. So wait muna natin. Allow. Okay, working ulit siya, guys. So real 2K. Try din natin yung updated roster. Load. Then yun, updated roster. Okay, so working yung dalawang application. Hanapin ulit natin yung sa Lakers. Try natin tong siguro si Russell. Parehas working yung dalawa. Try naman natin yung pangatlo. Yun, yung pangatlo. Uninstall muna natin itong pangatlo with AB. Ayos din tong graphics nito, guys. So install. Wait natin. Open. Wait ulit. Allow. Okay, working din siya sa Android 13. So sana gumana sa inyo guys itong tatlo. So mamili na lang kayo ng isa kasi di nyo naman yan kaya pagsabay-sabayin. So angas ng graphics niya guys. Oh. Pawis na pawis. Okay, try natin ulit yung updated roster. Yung successfully loaded siya guys. Okay, so try natin ulit sa Lakers. Hanapin natin si Brownie. Pawis na pawis guys. Ayan guys, working yung tatlo. Then try natin maglaro. Music Maestro.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady, I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending, now I'm spreading and getting my name out now.